Well, it's a very, very significant day today. Every year on the 26th of July, we honor the courage and sacrifice of the brave soldiers who fought for our nation during the Kargil War in 1999. And this year marks the 25th anniversary of India's historic victory over Pakistan.
So as far as today's program is also concerned, let's break down the details, because on this very occasion, marking 25 years of Kargil, Prime Minister Modi will be visiting the War Memorial to pay homage to the fallen bravehearts as part of the 25th Kargil Vijay Divas commemorations, as the Prime Minister will also be carrying out the first blast of the Shinkundla Tunnel project virtually.
Now, this project is aimed at providing all-weather connectivity to Leh, and upon its completion will be the highest tunnel in the world. So it's very, very significant. In a little while from now at 9:20 a.m., the Prime Minister will be arriving at the venue.
Today is the 25th anniversary of Kargil War, and we are reporting from Kargil War Memorial. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting Kargil War Memorial after 25 years to pay homage to all those martyrs who laid down their lives for the nation back in 1999 during Kargil War. He will be attending the wreath-laying ceremony here. And how are the preparations going on ground zero? My Vijay Shafiq will show you the images of Kargil War Memorial. At the same time, the seating arrangement and other impact arrangement for the proceedings have been finalized. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, accompanied by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, will be visiting Kargil War Memorial for the first time after 25 years. We know that in 1999, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was then a Bharatiya Janata Party leader, and he had visited the battlefield to boost the morale of Indian Army soldiers who were part of Operation Vijay. And now, after 25 years, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as a Prime Minister, is going to visit Kargil War Memorial, attend the wreath-laying ceremony and pay homage to all those army jawans who laid down their lives. Special security arrangements are in place. SPG has taken over the venue, and we see in fact special K9 squads here. At the same time, Ladakh police is also deploying its its people all around this Kargil War Memorial. What is important is that back in 1999, Pakistan had this conspiracy to block and disturb the supply chain of Indian Army in Dras by attacking Srinagar-Leh highway. They had captured, in fact, high mountain peaks from Tolo to Mushkan Valley, that included Tiger Hill and the Batra Top. But against this, Indian Army started Operation Vijay to reclaim and recapture all those mountain peaks in Dras Valley. For 2 months long, Indian Army fought against Pakistani Army, despite challenges like the terrain and other, in fact, logistical problems. But then Indian Army managed to, in fact, recapture all those mountain peaks. Bofors gun was the key attraction at that moment back in 1999. But since then, Indian Army has revamped its infrastructure, particularly in Ladakh and Dras area of the region, while as the border management has been, in fact, intensified. The intelligence network has been revamped, and so Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting Dras between 8 to 9 a.m. and he will be attending the wreath-laying ceremony, pay respects and homage to all those martyrs who laid down their lives in 1999 Kargil War. With video journalist Shafiq, this is Sohail in Dras.
And well, Times Now Sohail brings you this exclusive report from near Tiger Hill. Remember, the capture in 1999 proved very, very decisive in India's victory in the Kargil War.
Well, we've even spoken to one of the Kargil War heroes who have briefly narrated how brave Jawans fought this war and how cowardly it was when it comes to the behavior on part of Pakistani and their army, and when it comes to the terror group activities who had infiltrated in the Indian territory.
करगिल युद्ध के 25 वर्ष मुकम्मल हुए हैं। हम इस समय द्रास में हैं, और द्रास में हम लगातार आपको जो तस्वीरें दिखा रहे हैं, और सामने आपके है टाइगर हिल। इसी टाइगर हिल से जुड़ी कहानी 18 ग्रेनेडियर्स के ग्रेनेडियर योगेंद्र यादव हमें बताएंगे। उस लड़ाई में शामिल हुए थे, 17 गोलियां खाई और फिर बाद में उन्हें परमवीर चक्र से भी सम्मानित किया गया। योगेंद्र जी, 25 साल मुकम्मल हुए हैं, आप टाइगर हिल की लड़ाई में शामिल थे। थोड़ा उस चीज़ को याद करिए आज और दर्शकों को बताइए कि 1999 में जब युद्ध हुआ था और टाइगर हिल की खासतौर पर लड़ाई हुई थी, क्या हुआ था?
बिल्कुल, जब ये आप देख रहे हो कि ये 17,000 फीट ऊंची पहाड़ी टाइगर हिल, ये 18 ग्रेनेडियर्स ने इसको फतेह किया था। ये बहुत मुश्किलात पहाड़ी थी क्योंकि हाइट ज़्यादा होने की वजह से दुश्मन के पास एडवांटेज बहुत ज़्यादा था। दुश्मन दूर तक देख सकता था, अपनी मूवमेंट को छुपाना भी था। मौसम की मार इतनी थी, रात का टेम्परेचर -20 तक पहुंच जाता था, ऑक्सीजन नहीं थी। लेकिन इन सब विपदाओं के बावजूद भी हिंदुस्तान की फौज इन पहाड़ियों पर चढ़ती हुई चली गई। वो जोश, जुनून और जज्बा था इस मिट्टी का, इस राष्ट्र का, कि 2 रात और 1 दिन इस पहाड़ी पर चढ़ने में हमें लगे। और तीसरी रात का वो मंजर तो जब मैं याद करता हूँ तो आज भी जब उनकी तरफ देखता हूँ तो ऐसा लगता है कि शायद वो वहीं पर बैठे हुए। 5 घंटे तक युद्ध लड़ा हमने और 5 घंटे में मेरे साथियों ने अपने लहू की बूंदों से इस टाइगर हिल की जीत का एक स्वर्णिम इतिहास लिखते हुए चले गए। 5 घंटे में मेरे 6 साथी शहीद हुए। किसी की गर्दनें कटी, किसी के हाथ कटे, किसी के फेफड़ों से खून की फुहारें छूटी तो किसी का पूरा सर निकल करके बाहर हुआ। इन सब विपदाओं के बावजूद ये 19 साल का लड़का अपने साथियों की बॉडियों के बीच में पड़ा हुआ लेकिन हताश और निराश नहीं हुआ था, बल्कि एक साहस और उत्साह के साथ, संघर्ष के साथ उनके साथ लड़ता रहा। और 2 घंटे फिर और लड़ाई चली और उस घड़े के लड़ाई के बाद फिर मैं वापस भी आया हूँ और अपने साथियों को इन्फॉर्म करके फिर इस टाइगर हिल टॉप के ऊपर जीत का तिरंगा भी फहराया। और ये वो जीत थी जिससे कारगिल के युद्ध का यू टर्न हुआ, सीज फायर हुआ और आज हम 26 जुलाई को कारगिल विजय दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं।
Let's go across to our colleague Sohail, who's joining us on the broadcast. Sohail, in a short while from now, the Prime Minister is expected to visit there. He's expected to arrive there. Today, of course, is a day that's very, very significant to the people across the country, marking 25 years of Kargil Divas.
Well, absolutely, and for that arrangements have been put in place. The arrangements have been finalized with regard to security arrangements here in Dras outside the Kargil War Memorial. The SPG has basically taken over the venue. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be arriving here shortly. This will be his second visit. Back in 1999, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was affiliated with Bharatiya Janata Party. He was a leader of the party, and then he had visited the battlefield to boost the morale of army soldiers who were fighting Pakistan at that time. And now, after 25 years, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting this Kargil War Memorial. He will pay respects and homage to all those martyrs who laid down their lives for the nation, to protect the nation, to ensure safety and security of the people of Ladakh and Dras. Basically, what enemy had planned was to disturb the supplies of army soldiers who were posted in Ladakh, and that's why Dras was chosen, where basically the Srinagar highway runs near the foothills. So in May 1999, the enemy, the Pakistani irregular troops, occupied all those high mountain peaks, and after that, Pakistani army started Operation Vijay.